Guys, have a good day, good evening, good afternoon sa inyong lahat, to all of you, to this video guys. Dangan din naman na nagbablog tayo, so we can make a video or take video of some things para hindi tayo nalilito kung anong ipopost sa ating channel. Kasi some people said they are confused what to post on their channel. Pero ako guys, hindi ako nalilito kahit ano ipopost ko dyan as long as hindi ako naked. So, let's gonna start. And this grocery haul guys is from the money of my boss, or she is the one buying for me. Dahil ang usapan namin guys ay pera, bigyan ako ng parang food allowance, pero hindi nangyayari yun. So siguro mas gusto niya na siya ang bumili kisa magbigay ng pera. So walang problema naman sa akin. Sa bagay, mas makatipid siya guys, dahil not all personal needs or not all needs in myself that she will always buy. Like for example, the bones guys, I choose the meat or the bones than the meat because my purpose guys is just to get calcium. So guys, let's start. This is it. And this one is for my snacks, and I can give this also for grandpa or me. Both we can eat this, ang alaga ko at saka ako. So hindi naman masyado mahilig ang alaga ko, at saka hindi naman ako laging nag-i-snack ng mga ganito. So makakatipid talaga ang amo ko kasi hindi naman ako lagi, at saka tatagal ito sa akin. Yun. So the next is this one. So this is also for me, given to me by my boss. This I can eat this dip in the milk. I like doing that guys. So next is, and I tried this bread. Pag kinain nito guys, para itong cave sa ilalim guys, butas ito. Kasi I tried to eat this before, and yes, I like the taste. This kind of bread. And the next, and I choose this mushrooms. So I don't know how much my boss is spend. Sometimes she left the receipt, and I'll see now if there is a receipt. This mushrooms is full of vitamins, and I choose this. I like this okra, and this broccoli sprouts. I can eat this even without bread. I just like as snacks eating this, and this is good if you put in the sandwich. So, and this one is for grandpa. This is like sopas or pasta. This is not for me, this is for grandpa. And this one is for me, is a pancake. This is ready to eat pancake. See? Let's see guys. This is how it looks. And this one, this is for grandpa. And this one is for me. This is milk, black sesame, milk tea. And this one is for me. I choose these mung beans because I'm not always eating meat, and what we can get in eating meat is protein, and we can get protein in these mung beans. So I choose mung beans than meat. And I cook this with potatoes, ginger, onions, and little amount of bones. And I mix that, guys, with this taro. I mix the mung beans with the chopped taro. This one, guys, the taro here is expensive. This one is 76 for only 1 piece. And I have here sweet potato. And I choose this sweet potato leaves. I like eating this. Just blend it. Just blanch it. Yung ano lang, guys, just steam. Just steam this. I like it. And this bok choy. Yeah, just steam this. I just eat this by through steam. I don't like to fry. Just steam. And I have chocolate. Yes, I have. This is mixed chocolate, mixed flavor chocolate. Yes, this is, guys, give it to me. And this is the fourth vegetables. I think vegetables that I choose. This is eggplant. I will eat this by just steaming. And this is the sweet potato I mix with mung beans if I cook this. And this one is for Grandpa. Only 1 piece avocado, guys. This is not ripe. This is still matigas pa. 65, very small but very expensive. 65. This is for Grandpa. So I leave this outside to ripen. And I have snacks, these cashew nuts. My favorite one is the cashew nuts with honey, but very expensive. And this one is like 69. So I choose the cheaper one kasi nahiya na ako na marami na. Parang marami na yata to. But I know this is not too much. It's not too much money. Maybe it's not yet 1,000. And I choose this. I will mix this with the bones. This is bones, guys, not really having meat, just bones. I just use this like 1/8 portion of this, and this lasts for me like 3 months. Because I'm not eating this, guys, I just mix it with the mung beans and this and sweet potato. Yes, guys, I choose bones than meat. This is bones. This is actually bones and a small amount of meat. And this one is for Grandpa. I'll mix this on his porridge. This is for Grandpa. This is powder, fish powder. And I have milk. I said just a small pack of milk dahil nahiya ako ng malaki. So I choose this milk. And here is the receipt. My boss, she paid this 2,198. She paid the grocery, guys, for myself 2,198, but not all mine. There is Grandpa, like there 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces is for Grandpa. But this grocery, guys, just like for 2 weeks. Yeah, 1 week or 2 weeks. So I have the receipt. I wish I will win this receipt. Yes, guys, because in Taiwan, the receipts is raffled. You know, guys. So, that's all, guys. I'm sharing with you this grocery haul from my boss that is for me, that's supposed to be giving to me money, but she is the one buying the goods. So guys, once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Kaya guys, huwag kayong malito kung anong i-upload nyo. Kahit magbukas kayo ng ref, pwede nyo gawa ng video para may maipost kayo. Anything guys, as long as it's not hindi bawal sa community, you can post. Once again, see you on my next vlog. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So this is now my haul that my boss, the one paying it,